28s, heavy Chevys, watch them skate out on the freeway. I'm cruising this on replay, never could get a ticket. Slow lane, bumping SOS band, just reminiscing.
What up, y'all? What up, y'all? We back on this truck. Back on the truck. Got my dog Angel over here. He be helping out doing like a little mobile mechanic on the side. So we got the belt. We're going to try to change this belt, so we ain't got to worry about that squeaking no more. But I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. All right, we'll see what it do. I hear no more squeaking. Yeah. I was hearing that squeaking. I don't hear no squeaking no more.
Oh, that was the squeaking?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. And the buddies of mine, his had tore up on the highway. And I was like, let me change my belt. Yeah. For about 3 months it's been squeaking. Then 2 weeks ago it got louder. And I was like, nah, let me change it. That's why I kept texting you. Yeah. Yeah. I tried to get this piece yesterday, but they didn't have it. So I'm gonna have to order it. When I order it, I'll let you know. Yeah, that when I push it in, the compressor come on, and then the AC works.
I thought you can.
Yeah. They didn't have this piece right here at the store, so I gotta order it. But right now, we're gonna shorten this a little bit. And that'll help with the AC staying on, where the compressor staying on, so I can use the AC. Little tricks of the trade. So that's what we're gonna do. Like I said, I'm gonna still order this piece right here, but for now, we're gonna go ahead and try to shorten this and get them wires out so it can stay. Like I said, so that compressor can stay on, and I can use my AC. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right. Leave it like that.
Yeah.
So we leave it out, but.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay to leave it out like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool. Appreciate that, Angel. Got that AC, y'all. I got that AC in here. Oh yeah. She blowing cold too. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on. We blowing cold AC, y'all. We done shorten that wire up a little bit. And that's just a temporary quick fix. So like I'm still get that piece, the AC switch piece. But right now we blowing cold. We blowing cold. Oh yeah. No check engine light on, nothing like that. Blowing cold. Y'all don't know. I was about to sit. This truck was about to sit this summer. Definitely was. Yeah. Blowing. Go like that in that window. Blowing AC. Down there by the feet too. Oh yeah. So I just gotta figure out that little piece is hanging a little bit. So I gotta figure out so how like it wouldn't move. But we shorten that little wire. And yeah, it's cold. It's getting cold in here now too. It's definitely getting cold in here now. I don't know if I'm gonna put this video with something else. I'm gonna add to another video, or it's gonna be a separate video. But y'all keep liking. Y'all give me a comment, leave a comment. My bad, I'm studying my words. I thought this AC was gonna be a problem. It ain't gonna be no problem. We gonna handle all our business. Doing what we gotta do. You already know. Y'all hit that like button for me. And yeah, I'm gonna cut y'all back on in the next one. Alright? We gone.